David Chytraeus de Ratione Discendi, Episode 30. Now Section 3. Doctrina Fusica considerans naturdrum et causas omnium redrum ad Deo conditardrum, ut coeli stellardrum elementordrum meteoron plantardrum animantium, et in primis animae et corpordrum humanordrum. So he says the third category is physical doctrine, or instruction in natural things, doctrina fusica. This is going to be feminine, singular, and nominative, and once again, est is implicit. So the third category is the study of the natural world, doctrina fusica. Considerans, which comprises or which contains, so now we have another feminine singular nominative, namely this present participle in the active voice. Considero, considerare, like so, first conjugation, which includes or which considers, takes into account nature and the causes of all things, omnium redrum, that have been created by God, ad Deo. So considerans as an active participle can have objects, and it does. It has first naturam as object in feminine singular and accusative. It secondly has causas as object in the feminine plural and accusative. So the doctrina fusica takes into account the nature and causes omnium rerum of all things, so omnium rerum, feminine plural genitive. So rerum here with a little ligature is modified both by omnium and by conditardrum. So conditardrum is from condo, condere, which means to make or to create. The third principal part is condidi, and the fourth is conditus, to establish, to build, things like that. Of all things that have been created, by whom? Ad Deo, by God. So Deo is masculine singular, ablativus agentis, ablative of agent. The rest of this portion is a giving of examples, ut, and so forth. And so each one of these is going to be a genitive, because they are restating omnium rerum. So the causes of all things, the things that have been created by God, like, ut, the causes of the sky, coeli, which is going to be neuter singular and genitive, the causes of the stars or the constellations, feminine plural genitive, lots of genitives coming, elementordrum, the basic elements of the physical world, neuter plural and genitive, meteoron, the stars or the heavenly bodies, again neuter plural and genitive, the plants, feminine plural genitive, or we might say more generally, vegetation, of living things in the broad sense, neuter plural genitive, and in primis, which is adverbial, it means especially, and especially of the soul, animae, feminine singular and genitive, and of human bodies, corporum humanordrum, neuter plural and genitive. So behold, a great proliferation, as you can see, of genitives. They're here and here and here and here, here and here, and so on and so forth. A good object lesson in the idea that the length of a sentence and its complexity are not closely related. Sometimes a very long sentence, this is average length, is very simple because it's highly repetitive. Sometimes a very short sentence is difficult because it's complex. This one is quite easy, though of medium to long length.
Gratias vobis agimus. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed that lesson and that you learned something. To continue the free learning, check out the more than 2,400 lessons here on the channel. If you want to master the language, though, I suggest you join me as a channel member or on Patreon. You will get interactive quizzes, direct coaching, and personalized feedback so that you can really master the language, gain confidence, and have more fun with the things that we're doing. The lowest tier of membership starts at just $1.99. So I have to say, nolite amordrardri, what are you waiting for? Thanks again so much for watching, and vale tote omnes.